Dear Tommyinnit, at 100,000 we thought, not bad. But 10 million? At that point we're scratching our heads. The fact is, you're no longer a great channel. I'm a movement. Apparently. Well, I hope you accept this diamond creator. A diamond! on the mean streets of Nottingham.
Where else would we do this?
There's
no better
there is
time
no
and place than right now.
Napkins! Oh my god. Holy shit. It's got my face in it. Oh, that's the reflection.
Is it spelled right? That's my biggest fear.
Tommyinnit. That's me. Oh my god.
Oh,
I'm grubbing it. Oh. YouTube bag. YouTube socks. YouTube bottle. Coat.
Swig Max.
Oh yes. Holy shit. I stay snug in my YouTube hoodie.
Message in a bottle.
Oh, there is. What the? I saw a receipt. Yeah, you didn't get one of these, did you, KSI? You fucking prick. Thanks everyone. Thanks for subscribing. This probably isn't on the channel that I have 10 million, which would be particularly weird.